Okay, so again, do not do this. This is my own hobby system. I'm gonna see if I can get a long message. Sometimes it stops early, so I don't know why.
Creeper, suck creeper deeper. Just choose retarded 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 creeper, suck creeper deeper. Just choose
So the audio text to speech thing, the audio text to speech thing that's playing out on my speaker strobe, or was playing out on my speaker strobe, it actually goes longer than that, but for some reason the little MP3 player, it keeps it keeps messing up. It stops early. It goes on for like longer than a minute. I think it's more like 2 minutes or something. But I played a lot more of it versus last time though, so that's pretty cool. And I have set. God damn, it's so funny. The way I came up with this stupid thing is I was fooling around with one of my friends on Discord, and our goal was to break AI, text to speech. So we did that, and I came up with this stupid phrase that you heard, and I think it's just hilarious. It never fails to make me laugh because of how dumb it is. So there's that. If I can motivate myself, I might make a system test for my actual YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/the @Whemenoc Alarms. So my username, alarms with a capital A. Both the W in Whemenoc and the A in alarms is capitalized. There's no spaces. And you'll find my official channel on YouTube. Yeah. I've been inactive on there for quite a while though, because I am way more busy with music production, so this is like secondary if I have time to do it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you share this around and perhaps go subscribe to my YouTube channel and stuff. Alright, have a good one.